Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's topic is chapter 3, question number 3, part 2. In part 2 we shall solve question number 3 and 4. My dear students, today is our lecture number 13 of annual term, and today our SW number will be 12. Okay, my dear students, today's CW will be your SW. Okay, here is the question, my dear students. Here part 1, that means question 1 and 2 is done by our honorable sir Bilal Hussain. So in our class we shall solve question number 3 and 4. To solve question number 3 and 4 we need this table, okay, and the informations of the tables. At first we read the question. The table on the right show the population area and population density of 4 villages. That means village A, B, C and D, and population of the villages is village A 1800, village B 2200, village C 1500, village D 2240, and area square kilometer 15 square kilometer, B has 20 square kilometer, C has 25 square kilometer, D has 8 square kilometer. And my dear students, density people per square kilometer. Here A density, village A density is 120, density of village B is 110, density of village C is 60, density of village D is 280. My dear students, here some gap A, B, C and D, which is already done in question number 1 and 2. Now we shall solve question number 3 and 4. The question 3, which village is more likely to have a large market? My dear students, I repeat, which village is more likely to have a large market? Which area has a large market? We know that a area which has large area and which has large population, which has large density, has a large market. So from this table we can easily find out the village which has the largest market. You notice village A people 1800, B 2200, C 1500, D 2240. From these 4 villages we notice that D has largest population, largest number of population. Here you notice, and population density 280. So we can also say that the density of 4 villages is village D. That means village D has largest density. So we can say that village D has large market. So village D has large market and village D is the answer. My dear student, number 4, Hakim lives in one of these villages and say my village has huge area but a habitable zone is limited due to the river. Which village is he more likely to live? That means Hakim gives you some hints to find out his village. Which village Hakim lives in? My dear students, his hints is my village has a huge area. That means which village has huge area? Notice the area of the 4 villages is given here 15, 20, 25, 8. So here 25 is the largest. So here 25 is present in village C. So the area of village C is 25 square kilometer. Okay. And the next information is but a habitable zone is limited due to the river. My dear student, notice here habitable zone, that means the zone which people live. Here village C has 25 square kilometer, but its population is less than all other villages. So we can easily say that Hakim lives in village C. Now we solve this question. At first we solve question number C. Okay. My dear students, question number 3. Here, which village is more likely to have a large number? Okay. So first of all, you write here village D has 2,240 people. Which is more than other villages. Okay, and also and village D has 2,080 people per square kilometer. Population density. Which is more than other villages. So we can say village D has a large market. Answer village D. My dear student, please notice here village D has 2,240 people, which is more than other villages. Village D has 280 people per square kilometer population density, which is more than other villages. So as village D has more population and also more population density, so we can say that village D has a large market than other villages, and village D is the answer of question 3. Which village is more likely to have a large market? So our question number 3 is done. Next we shall solve question number 4, and we have already made a plan how to solve this question. That means Hakim, a person who give us some information. By this information we find which village he lives in. Okay. So number question 4 is, first, my village has a huge area but a habitable zone. My dear students, here you notice huge area, that means which village has more area? Village C. So write here village, the area of village C. Area of village C is 25 square kilometer, which is greater than other villages. So first information is done. Next, a habitable zone is limited due to river. My dear students, notice that means that village has a small population. Notice village C has small population, which is 1,500. So and village C has 1,500 people, which is less than other villages due to the river. I hope you have understood. So, by these two information we can easily say that Hakim lives in village C. So, Hakim lives in village C. Answer village C. I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is your SW also. This is your SW also. That means question number 3 and 4 will be your SW, and this is SW number 12. My dear students, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. If you have any questions or if you don't understand in any portion of this question, you must make a phone call to me. My phone call is given on the board. My dear students, you have already know the importance of SW, because based on your SW, diary marks, city marks and SBM marks will be given, and your guardians or any other person can submit your SW in your school library in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and your SW copy is checked properly by your honorable subject teachers. After checking your SW copy, we will collect your SW copy after completing 1 week. That means you collect it next Sunday. Okay, my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum. Thank you.